Hi, my name is Mike. I'm a mechanically inclined guy. My wife's 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee was making a teapot whistling noise whenever you let off the gas driving or was sitting there idling. And it lasted just long enough to get the hood open and start looking for it, and it would go away. I read a bunch of threads on the internet. A lot of people said it was this shaft going through to the carburetor. And another guy said it was the manifold bolts closest to the firewall in the back. It was not my shaft. I narrowed that down just by pushing on it. If it was the shaft, you'd be able to at least make the sound variable, if not make it go away by putting pressure on that shaft. And that did not work. But in the back on the exhaust manifold, there is a nut that looks like that, and then an exhaust manifold stud right next to it that has a nut on it. You can't see them, but in the back, way back there, you can feel them. And if you get up there, you can put a wrench on this nut to tighten it. You can't get much wrench throw because there's a lot of, the firewall's right there, so you can only move the wrench a little bit. But on the nut, you can put the wrench on it and get a little bit of throw to tighten it up. On the stud, I had to turn the wrench around, put it down over the stud on the nut, and you'll be able to see the wrench hanging down through here. And even with a big Carhartt jacket on, I was able to reach my arm all the way down and grab the wrench and turn it. I used a pivoting ratchet wrench, so it was probably in about this position when I was doing it. But that was my problem on this 99 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I tightened those two bolts, probably not even a quarter of a turn, and the whistling's gone. And it was whistling loud. That water was boiling in that teapot. So, if your Jeep is whistling, I'd look at those two bolts. Because from the thread I read, they said a lot of these 4.0 straight 6 cylinder motors have that problem. Hope this helps.